Hi, today we are reviewing Rimac Nevera. So let's break it down. Speed, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds. Top speed, 258 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour. Drivetrain, all-electric drivetrain. Engine, 1,914 horsepower, 1,408 kilowatts. Automatic transmission. Battery, 120 kilowatt-hour battery. With one battery it can pass 340 miles, 550 kilometers. Trunk, 99 liters, 3.5 cubic feet. Measurements: length around 4.7 meters, 15.4 feet. Width approximately 1.98 meters, 6.5 feet. Height roughly 1.20 meters, 3.9 feet. Wheelbase approximately 2.73 meters, 8.96 feet. Weight 2,150 kilograms, 4,740 pounds. Release date August 2021. Price starting at $2,200,000. Thanks for watching. Comment what car would you like to see next. Like and subscribe for more.